If you are planning to buy your first home in Canada, opening an FHSA can help you save faster while getting tax benefits. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up an FHSA in Wealthsimple step by step. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to sign up using your email and verify your identity. This usually takes just a few minutes. Once you're inside the app, look for the option that says Open or Move Account. Tap on that, then select Open a New Account. On the next screen, tap View All Accounts. Then find and select FHSA, which stands for First Home Savings Account. You will now see a screen with the high-level information about the FHSA. Take a moment to review this so you understand how the account works, then tap Get Started. Next, you will be asked how you would like to use your FHSA. You will see three options here. The first option is a registered savings account. This earns interest and is the lowest risk option. It works more like a traditional savings account, so your money is stable, but the growth is usually lower. The second option is stocks, options, and ETFs. This is a self-directed account where you choose your own investments. This gives you full control and higher growth potential, but also comes with more risk if you are not experienced. The third option is portfolios. These are pre-built portfolios managed for you. Wealthsimple invests your money based on your risk level, which makes this a good option for beginners who want a hands-off approach. Now, depending on your account setup, you may only see two options here. For example, if you have already opened a self-directed account before, Wealthsimple may limit what you see. That is normal. Choose the option that fits your goals and experience level. After that, review the agreements carefully, then press Confirm. Once that is done, your FHSA will be created and ready to be funded. If you are not sure how to fund your account, check out my other video where I walk through it step by step. I will leave a link in the description below so you can follow along. One important thing to know is that an FHSA combines the benefits of both an RRSP and a TFSA. Contributions may reduce your taxable income, and withdrawals for a first home can be tax-free. Also keep in mind there are contribution limits each year, so make sure you stay within your allowed room to avoid penalties. And that is it. You now have a fully set up FHSA in Wealthsimple, and you are ready to go. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step guides.